मेरा लगता है कोविड चले गया ब्रो।
प्लीज, लेकिन तू मत चले जाना किधर, तू रुक
मैं
घर पे।
नॉर्मल हो गया वैसे मुझे लग रहा है।
This is exactly how it spreads.
There is going to be
But
a
I'm not going out. I'm staying at
Do you
home,
feel
guys.
a need
Chalo,
to go to a
14 days.
mall right now?
There's going to be a-
go have vada pav somewhere.
I'm not going anywhere. Bro.
there's going to be a there's going to be a moment in this when Varun is going to be बाबा पॉज कर और फिर 20 मिनट के बाद ऐसा सलमान खान इन अंदाज अपना
मैं रैंडमली चले जाएगा बाथरूम, क्योंकि फॉर मोस्ट पीपल कोविड बिन अरे सर दर्द कर रहा है, बॉडी पेन है, ये है, बुखार है, स्मेल नहीं है, टेस्ट नहीं है। मेरे लिए सिर्फ टॉयलेट है। ये तो कोविड हुआ क्या होता है उसमें? नहीं, मैं बहुत टॉयलेट गया था बस। So,
But then Thakur, by that measure, I've had COVID all my life.
yeah.
No, but it's not COVID. In your case, it is the garbage you eat. Just whatever food is around you right now, Kautuk, just stretch and show it to us. I'm telling you, it is diarrhea inducing.
By the way,
What
BMC
do you
is
mean?
automated.
Meri chana?
Of course.
You mean
काली
my?
मेरी चना। Oh God, bro, मेरे को ये सुन के वापस कोविड हो गया। मेरे को वापस कोविड।
Oh God, this is the thing is I don't even know how you reach. It's that same. No, it's that cranberry julab.
Kautuk, you know the way it's stuck, it looks like there's going to be ants coming out of it, you know, like.
Oh
yes,
God, man.
लेकिन खा ले काली मेरी ants. By the way, guys, you know it's been exactly a week. Last week जब हम लोग पॉडकास्ट शूट कर रहे थे ना, तब मेरे को फीलिंग आने लग गया था कि कुछ तो है बॉडी में, because I just sat after a shower under the AC. तो तभी मुझे फील हो रहा था it's yeah, 1 week later I feel I'm better.
और तभी तो प्लेन लेके सब जगह गया
नहीं, मैं किधर नहीं गया
like a regular COVID patient.
सब चल रहा है ब्रो। बीएमसी ने अपना कोविड चेकअप ऑटोमेटेड कर लिया अभी। तो मेरे को आज सुबह को फोन आया जो मैंने नींद में उठाया। अब पूछ रहे सर तुम्हारा कोविड-19 लेंगे नहीं तो एक दबा दो। तो नॉर्मल मराठी सब समझ में आ रहा था। Then they started using high-fi Marathi words, which I didn't know the answer to. तो अभी मैंने कुछ तो दबाया है to.
I'll see you at Ambani. I'll see you at Ambani Hospital.
गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में जाके ऐसे बांध कर रखी, अरे इसको तो बहुत हार्डकोर है। नहीं है, प्लीज बीएमसी
क्यों रखे?
क्योंकि मैंने क्या दबा दिया।
Varun with a straight jacket.
The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ. अरे लेकिन मुझे कुछ नहीं है। मैं ठीक हूँ, मुझे घर जा।
मराठी में बोल, मराठी में।
मी बरा है, मला घरी जायचं प्लीज।
Oh my God.
डर के मारा गई। Nothing, it's okay. चल।
Okay. अच्छा है. Warm open. Considering 2 people have fever. Let's go.
Good. Ready?
wow. What a wordplay.
ये स्पेशल में डाला। All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, it's a COVID special.
This is so funny.
Oh God. I had a nice cut point and all, but now I have a cut point again.
Oh God.
Okay, my prediction for top comment is Varun had COVID, still he did podcast. What dedication?
Yeah, but that is, bro, it's dedication. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, a show where we take random talking about the facts, trivia, and personal stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is going to have more personal stories and some facts because the topic is parents, माँ बाप,
Correct.
अन्नदाता, और क्या दाता होता है? जीवन दाता, और I don't know, that's it.
भगवान दाता.
बता तुम्हारे फेवरेट पेरेंट कौन है?
नमक हराम.
Baba, would you like to disclaimer it already?
No, not this episode. I mean, it's fine. I mean, I'm sure it's already in the comments. Like before we've dropped the video, it's already in the comments. So let's not be that predictable.
Yeah.
Correct.
तो बहुत एपिसोड हो गए, अपन ने कुछ पर्सनल स्टोरीज वाला नहीं किया, स्पाई माफिया ये सब में अपने पास पर्सनल स्टोरीज नहीं थे, तो अभी थोड़ा पेरेंट्स वाला सीन खेलना बनता है. आई डोंट नो हाउ इज इट दैट वी हैव नॉट डन पेरेंट्स सो फार. मतलब हम लोग स्क्रैचिंग एट द बॉटम ऑफ द बैरल टॉपिक्स काफी कर लेते हैं,
Meaning, yeah, parents should have come before dinosaur for sure.
Yeah.
No, I'm
parents should have
assuming
come-
parents should have come before death. I'm just saying, like, it should have come
Yeah.
way before.
No, but it should have definitely come before dinosaurs. How are we discussing dinosaurs before parents?
इतना पीछे.
See,
we went
now
so far back.
here is a moment, because my parents are extinct,
too
so
far back.
therefore you could do it. Like, here I can do it like that, right? Like, I can. But anyway, moving on.
देख उधर पपाया पड़ा.
क्या?
No fucks.
एक हरा
No
papaya.
fucks to give. नहीं पपाया अच्छा है कोविड के लिए. तेरा pH लेवल ज्यादा होना चाहिए.
Bro, papaya is also good for. I might have to edit this. but
Digestion.
no, it's also very good where if you are scared that you might be pregnant, you have a lot of papaya. You will get. It's true. You will get your period because it's very heaty. So, and it's absolutely true. I'm not
Shouldn't
even lying.
you avoid it during COVID because then it will raise your temperature of the body? Like papaya and mango are known to raise the like they are
अरे
hot
but they
food.
are super high pH.
No, you
levels.
also get pimples, na.
Yeah.
Not me, I don't. Okay.
No, but-
पपाया से याद आया पापा. Let's actually
Papa, yeah.
पापा या.
Papaya.
Let's talk about the story of how your parents met. कौतुक पहले तेरे से चालू करते हैं. Do you know the story of how your parents met?
I have asked, and I've asked at least 5 or 6 times, and I've gotten very shady answers. So, like, they are not telling me the truth. Okay. So
Are they really your
it's not-
parents?
Are they changing the story each time?
No, so they can.
Then
tell
Also,
me that I
Kautuk,
am-
तेरा एक ऐसा एक टिंटिन वाला बाल है, so I'm just going to be a mom for a
great.
second and tell you to make it flat.
That थूक लगा.
तो आज तो कौलिक का दिन है. तो
Destruction. Oh, it's
so
got
anyway, so
worse
basically
somehow.
they have got some love come arranged wala vibes, because what happened is that my grandparents, they like my nana and my dada, they both knew each other because they used to work in ACC Cement. Okay, so and therefore the kids kind of vaguely knew each other. So I'm assuming there was some kind of like something going on there.
Oh,
पर
क्यों ना इस
फिर-
दोस्ती को रिश्तेदारी में बदल
Please,
दी जाए.
please
हाँ,
tell me
but-
there were cement jokes involved at the wedding. के
We are going to finally
Okay,
bind
Johnny.
them together.
No, it was like, you know something, there is one photo from the wedding, and in that photo my dad is sitting like they still have it, but it's toned down from back in the day where they used to make them sit on thrones,
Yeah.
right? Like
Oh,
just fucking these
yeah.
big ass fucking thrones. So my dad is sitting on one throne wearing a suit and his tie and shit, and he's just and my
What's
mom
going
is
on
just so
So there's just one picture
Ah.
from the wedding.
that I know of, because apparently it was like very
No, मुझे कुछ झोल लग रहा है.
Bro, मेरे को
क्या
भी.
वो ISI agents है जो pretend
Dude,
कर रहे
I
हैं
just-
happy
one
Indian family
photograph.
बनने की.
Both
Like-
your
like-
parents are spies.
Like
No,
I am older
is
than you are,
fine.
Kautuk, and I have pictures of my parents'
No,
wedding.
no.
So,
You're right. There are more photos. That is the most defining photo because it hangs in our house. And if that photo exists and there was a photographer,
that-
which means there is evidence of more photos.
One
There is.
photo.
So there is all the
Yeah.
standard public khara hai khana, or it's just like random. You know what happens in my house? Like every 10 years, I think they take out the photo albums, they go through the photos, and they keep going like, अच्छा ये भी चले गए, ये गुजर गए.
I like this alternative use of wedding album. ये मर गया, ये भी मर गया. It's good to keep a count of people who are alive and dead.
Dude, it's inventory. So yeah, so I mean, it was like a love come arranged. It's a classic, truly love come arranged. I think, and my dad got married at 29. My mom is they have like a 7-year difference, so she was 22 when they got married.
Oh wow.
Dude, this
And-
love come arrange sounds like love come arrange ज़्यादा था. Yeah.
हाँ. या तो love from one side and then pressuring की अरे मेरे से नहीं होगा आप बात करो ना please.
But that's a big deal now also. Like, have you seen that other abhi second season bhi aa gaya of The Big Day on Netflix?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys have watched it because if you have a better half in your house, you have to watch it.
नहीं तो
Other, it is 1 second. Can I just say something? Other, it is not anymore co-watching activity. It is a fucking hint, Other. So I'm not understanding how do you not get it? This is a hint now. It's no longer a co-watching activity.
Hinting काफी time से चल रहा है. In there also, so many people are doing this love come arrange वाला system even today. Like एक तो वो तो थी सीमा तपाड़िया from Mumbai, but like it's just such a simple thing even today. Like it's another dating app. Like
so my parents were full on love. Like my parents were full love
same.
marriage. Like
even my parents.
my
parents were kids. Dad 23, mom 21.
Yeah,
wow.
Dude, when my dad was my age, I was 10.
Oh shit.
मैं ऐसे इमेजिन कर रहा हूँ कि मेरे आजू बाजू एक 10 साल का बच्चा भाई, मैं तो कान के नीचे दूंगा उसको.
क्लासिक.
No, my thing is
पॉडकास्ट कर रहा हूँ.
कैसे आप पॉडकास्ट करते लात मार दे, चल हट मेरे सामने मत आना. How did
My
my
thing is-
parents raise us? I don't get it. छोटे
My parents-
बच्चे थे ब्रो, 23 साल के.
No,
मेरी
so
माँ
my
मेरे को
parents got
मारती
late.
थी.
My parents got married. My parents got married later in that sense, slightly later in life. But full on scenes, bro. My dad would like hang out outside my mom's college and all. And my mom was pretty stuck up, okay, like Bavi from like a colony and all that. So like pretty like I'm sure it must have been very annoying to pata her. Like it must have been really like and she was like studious and like all of that. And my dad was kind of like player, like in that sense. So
So they were a web series.
yeah. So
There were little things.
yeah. So the thing is like my dad's hanging outside my mom's college. You know, they met through, of course, common friends. Okay. So that common friends, you know, my mom's in Xavier's and he's like followed her from Xavier. She's finished her graduation, moved to government law college and all of that jazz. तो ये घूम रहा है मेरा बाप ऐसा government law college के बाद.
तेरा बाप पढ़ता कहाँ था? Where was your father from? Like
So
what college?
he finished HR. He did HR
बगल
college.
में?
No, yeah, kind of बगल में. So he did college in HR, and then from there he joined his dad's office, which was at Fort. तो काम काज छोड़ के मम्मी के पीछे ऐसा फुल चक्कर काट रहा है.
Fair enough.
And then mom's office was in Bella district. So he would go from Fort, where the office his office started at 5:36. He would go and wait at mom's outside Mullah and Mullah, which was a law firm. कि मम्मी 8:30 बजे निकलेगा. फिर टैक्सी में मम्मी को छोड़ता था घर पे माहिम. फिर माहिम से जाता था चेंबूर रोज. ठीक है, रोज.
लंबा सीन.
हाँ
Full
काफी
खर्चा
लंबा.
किया.
हाँ full on.
Just
So
Uber Max.
and a lot of times my mom was like, I'm going by train. And my dad was like, no, let me drop you. I'm going in the same direction. Loud is the same direction.
Who has ever gone to Chembur voluntarily?
You're always going in the same direction given enough time.
And all of this, and then and of course, I mean, there was a rift where I think my mom, when she eventually went to like her parents and all to get married and all, they were like, yeah, okay, fine, whatever. They sort of said don't and all out. Parjat, which is like outside the community vibe. And
Gujju tha na?
Baap Gujju tha. So outside the community and all that. So there was that issue, but then I think they got over it and all. But you should see the wedding photos too. They are horrible. Like I also have you remember have you seen
but
how you might have
parents की शादी हुई थी तभी कैमरा जस्ट बना था, so there are
no fuck off, they didn't
बाबा के पेरेंट्स की शादी लुमियर
ब्रदर्स ने शूट की थी. हाँ
उसमें पीछे से ट्रेन आ रही है.
So
get it.
yeah, so the thing about the photograph, but I'm sure all of us, and we've all done that thing. What, where was I? Have you asked your parents where was I in
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Where was I
have
at
you
the
seen?
wedding?
Yeah.
Always ना, वो तो joke तो मैं किधर हूँ फोटो में.
So the other
No,
big thing
put
was,
two and two together by then.
oh, so clearly you saw the album fairly late in life.
Yeah.
No, the thing is, the other photos that, and I don't even know why they have this, because if we had any evidence of this photograph, which I'm about to tell you about, we would have torn it and thrown it away or burnt it or whatever. You know
No, I can't wait.
that there was this whole like honeymoon thing where they would go to like either Kashmir or Manali or whatever it is.
Chota Kashmir,
Right?
my parents went. Chota Kashmir.
Chota Kashmir is in fucking Borivali.
No, what?
No, I'm saying
आरे कॉलोनी.
Aare colony is Chota Kashmir.
नहीं रे.
हाँ.
Yes.
में है ना.
अरे तू जाके गूगल कर छोटा कश्मीर दूसरे को भी बोल.
Anyway, so they went to.
मेरे माँ बाप हनीमून के लिए आरे कॉलोनी नहीं जा रहे थे. ठीक है, ग्रांटेड बहुत अमीर नहीं थे.
Listen,
लेकिन
Thakur, I am not.
आरे मिल कॉलोनी.
I would not be surprised because it's next to Film
It's
City.
okay.
I wouldn't be
Yeah,
surprised.
it's cool.
Dude, मैं लोनावला गया हूँ तो I am totally
Yeah.
on the side.
No,
तू
no.
लोनावला
So
के जंगल में गया अपना
अबे
honeymoon
तू
बनाने।
पैंडेमिक के बीच में था, समझीस. ठीक है,
नहीं, वो
उधर
pandemic-
कुछ नहीं था.
so my parents
उसके पहले उसने
later.
बुकिंग मारा हुआ था. That's the problem.
So in that thing, no, they used to do this thing where they would dress up in the traditional garb of like a the Manali people and this
Bro,
that. So I
I'm telling-
have
I will
these
show
things
you
of my
those fucking
mom.
pictures, bro.
I have
How
this
is it
picture of my
same?
mom where she's wearing that like thing. She look like that Sharmila Tagore from Kashmir ki Kali.
बहुत funny.
That and I'm like, why have you kept this picture?
Baba, you know something?
Of course,
Dude,
that
मेरा मेरी
picture-
बहन का है वैसा. मेरी बहन का, मेरे बाप माँ सबका ऐसा है वो प्रॉपर फोटो.
अरे but honeymoon पे नहीं ना bro.
नहीं, क्यों? Of course, bro. उन लोग जाके करेंगे ही ना वो तो सीन. And it's
No, and I'm
amazing
saying-
how similar, bro. तेरे parents और मेरे parents का.
Yeah.
scene है. It's
Yeah, I'm
Baba,
saying they went to
Baba,
London a
I
couple
was
of years
feeling-
later for business,
I
for
was-
my dad's business trip. But in London, they don't have pictures where she's dressed like the queen or standing next to the guard. They don't have those pictures. In Manali,
Because
they
they- They don't
अरे
have a
क्योंकि वो
guy
दिख
with
रहा
a
है तेरे को
camera,
10
no?
रुपए में. हाँ, 10 रुपए में कोई तेरे को दे रहा है, ये कपड़े पहनो. Also, like I was in, we were in Dharamsala, and like we had gone there because like Aparna was going through some like treatment or whatnot, so we had gone there. So we were like, okay, let's stay here for 2 weeks and make it a little bit of a trip. So we went to this one place which is supposed to be the secluded area with like a lot of trees, and there's one छोटा सा temple there which is like a ruin. We went there and वहाँ पे बाहर एक आदमी खड़ा है कैमरा के साथ और बोलता है ये कपड़े हैं सर, आप ये पहनो और इसके साथ फोटो लो. In the time of COVID, there is a man standing there with clothes that anybody can come. wear
dude,
for
in
30
Manali,
rupees.
there's also a guy who roams around in the night randomly. If you're taking a walk, he will come up to you and say, Sheila Ji.
Sheila Ji.
Like,
Yeah.
he will offer you
Sheila Ji
Sheila Ji like he's selling drugs. So,
But
Yeah.
why
हाँ,
not? It's
ऐसे
that
ऐसे पीछे से मेरे.
men believe in the potency of Shilajit to such an extent. तू कश्मीर जा, उधर भी बेच रहे हैं शिलाजीत. मैंने तो खरीदा भी. तो देखो मैं इतना सा डब्बा 2,500 रुपए का है. 2,500
Dude, हम
रुपए
लोग
का.
कश्मीर पे, we were in Kashmir and we were living on a houseboat on Lake Nagin, which is a more isolated lake. This is like years ago, and so it's just calm, okay. And then this one man comes like disturbing the surface of the water.
He comes on a boat.
Yeah, he comes on a boat because
Wow.
the back of our
As
houseboat is
opposed to
opening.
तैर के
हाँ, so he comes on a boat.
Sheila
and
ji.
he just comes. And he comes, and the first thing he looks at us, like because there were two of us and लड़की अंदर बैठी थी. So we go outside and there's two dudes standing there. बोलता है ये चाहिए क्या ये This went on for a good 30 seconds before.
this is
he
the worst
mentioned
improv
Sheila ji.
scene ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just shit. And then this guy, and then he's handing it to us. He's like, हाँ दिखाओ. And then the girls came in, and this guy hid it. And then बाद में saffron दिखाना शुरू कर दिया. अच्छा ये लो saffron.
Wow.
ये दोनों बहुत बिकते हैं लेकिन.
Wow.
You know, but
That's something, but I was just thinking about it. Yeah. Okay, would you take a photo today of like in these touristy places? Would you take these kind of shitty photos today?
No.
Like without
There's
COVID? You
germs.
wouldn't, right? You would never do it. Dude, I'm assuming
it's also reduced to a massive extent. इतना पहले जितना होता था अभी उतना वैसे भी नहीं होता है क्योंकि आधे पब्लिक अपने सेल्फी स्टिक लेके खड़े हैं
Yeah.
वैसे. So
Correct.
I would take the
business only has
photo.
gone.
I would take the photo just to be like because it's so.
take it
Ironic.
ironically.
Yeah.
No, I think even taking it ironically would be like, yeah.
Dude, I have a feeling, Baba, your mom got excommunicated because of that photo. Like the Parsi Panchayat sat and they're like, ये कर रही है? नहीं, इसको ये तो जरूरत ही नहीं.
तो guys, एक मिनट, मेरे को एक फोटो मिला है मेरा मम्मी का in that avatar that I have spoken about.
Hey,
I'm
yeah,
not
that-
even
हम
lying.
लोग कैसे करेंगे boom bro.
I don't even know what's happening. And here is my dad on the
Baba.
night of the engagement of the reception.
Bro, dad मोदी जी लग रहे हैं.
One second, Baba.
यहाँ मोदी जी लग रहे हैं.
I'll tell you something. There is a photo from my wedding where you look exactly like that man.
Oh.
Like there is no genes from your mother.
I have
It's
I have
just your
genes
dad.
from my mom. You'll see my smile and all.
It's
Wait, 1 minute.
psychological then.
No. Wait, this is my dad without a beard. Okay, please. It's not the same.
He looks very young. Huh?
Wait, this is two separate
Yeah.
people.
No,
This is two
it's
separate.
completely
तेरे दो
different
बाप,
human
तेरे
beings.
दो बाप.
Yeah.
ये तो गोपिकेशन हो गया, bro.
Hey Baba, did you ever ask your parents how they settled on the name Neville?
No,
yeah.
I think there was
Gujarati
a
and a Parsi.
No, I think there was a conversation. Here's the most embarrassing part, and it's. Are you ready for it? This is worse than Muscleman 28, by the way.
Oh God!
Of
what?
course.
Okay, so when they were naming me and stuff like that, my dad's mom, as in my grandparents from my dad's side, were not necessarily comfortable with Neville, and also the pronunciation of Neville became a problem for them. So they had rechristened me.
Naveen.
Nilesh.
Nilesh. Nilesh
And-
OP in the chat. Come
And-
on.
Nilesh Shah.
And
Nilesh
and
Shah.
because they were
नहीं,
because they
आज
were
से तू नीलेश से आए.
अभी change
And-
कर तेरा नाम
अभी
अभी
नाम
change
change
कर.
कर.
and they were 1 second. And the thing is, because like authentically from Surendranagar and stuff like that in Gujarat, so the vocabulary or the pronunciations were not necessarily fully effective. So the shurs were not complete. So it was Nilesh.
Nilesh.
That's it,
Okay.
dude. We are calling you Nilesh. You know this, right? I don't know why you volunteered this
That's
information.
it from this episode of the Internet Set. So we'll be back right again with a new avatar featuring
Yeah.
Kautuk, Adar, Varun, and
Nilesh.
So, yeah.
बावा.
Oh.
Actually तूने बचा लिया क्योंकि मैं स्टोरी बोलने वाला था मेरे दूसरे नाम की, लेकिन नहीं.
नहीं
And
तू बोल.
Nilesh- no,
नहीं तू बोल.
See, नहीं है.
Is it worse than Nilesh?
Oh yes, it is definitely worse
नहीं
than
नहीं
Nilesh.
ठाकुर, this is not fair.
बताना पड़ेगा
Thakur.
यार.
ये बताना पड़ेगा. बताना
Hey,
पड़ेगा.
it's
Not fair.
dude.
If this, okay, I'll tell you what, I'll say it. If 1000 comments पहुंचे ना अपन ये वीडियो पे, मैं पिन करके डालेगा what I was supposed to be named until my mother put a foot down and said नहीं, मेरे बेटे का नाम और कुछ भी होगा, ये नहीं होगा. वो नाम
Okay, okay.
है
You think can we guess it?
1000
No, wait, tell
comments.
us-
हाँ, शुरू
Tell us
शुरू
what it
का
starts
alphabet
with.
क्या है? हाँ,
नहीं, मैं
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. 1000 comments,
शुरू का लेटर क्या है?
कुछ भी नहीं. 1000
हम
comments
लोग को
जैसे
1000
पहुंचा,
कमेंट्स नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं आ रहा है ब्रो, ऐसे भीख मांगना पड़ेगा. नाम बताऊंगा 1000 कमेंट दे.
But guys, one sec. If it is more embarrassing than Nilesh.
Embarrassing. अरे Nilesh.
Accepting
Said
his
like a
identity
Nilesh.
as Nilesh. Said like a
तू
true Nilesh.
25 मेडिसिन से सीधा बुर्जी पाव पे आ गए. तेरे को मालूम है ना बिना
अरे
बड़ौदा
करे.
में बुर्जी पाव खा रहा है अभी तू.
So yeah, no, it was.
कमेंट में असली नाम रिवील करूंगा.
ठाकुर तेरा माँ बाप का बोल. Love marriage.
मेरा बाप तेरे बाप जैसे एकदम फुल लोथारियो लफंगा फ्लर्ट्स मैन था.
Lothario.
My dad's friend, okay, Pappu uncle used to work in my mom's bank,
Pappu
Vijaya
uncle
Bank,
is
Excelsior
hilarious.
branch. हाँ, तो डैड पप्पू अंकल को मिलने जाते थे और जैसे कि देखा मॉम बैठी है तो थोड़ा ये बात होता है. दैट्स माय फ्रेंड मिलिन, दैट्स माय कॉलीग चांद, हेलो हाउ आर यू, ऐसे सब हुआ. तो डैड आते जाता था बिकॉज़ डैड वाज इन बड़ाला ब्रांच. एंड बाय द वे माय डैड, द बैंक ही यूज्ड टू वर्क एट वाज राइट नेक्स्ट टू माय मॉम्स हाउस.
Oh.
ये वाला कनेक्शन ठीक है. तो फिर he used to keep coming to the bank under the pretext of meeting Pappu but talk to mom
Of
instead.
course.
एक दिन पप्पू अंकल बीमार पड़ गया कुछ, ठीक है, if my memory serves me right. पप्पू अंकल बीमार पड़ गए, डैड फिर भी पहुंच गया.
हाँ.
ठीक है, और आके पूछ के मॉम को, अरे पप्पू डिडंट कम ओवर टुडे. और मेरी मॉम बोली मैं चूतिया समझ के बैठा है. इसको कैसे नहीं मालूम कि पप्पू बीमार है, 3 दिन से नहीं आ रहा है, आज आ गया. तो फिर डैड ने बोला कि अच्छा एनीवे आई एम हियर, इफ यू आर डन विद वर्क वी विल मीट.
Oh.
I love your father. Your father probably gave up. He's been calling Pappu. Hey, Pappu चलना यार, कितना दिन तू बीमार रहेगा, जाना बैंक प्लीज, काम करना. please.
कोविड हो गया है क्या कर रहा है?
चलना काम करना. एंड में like fuck it, मैं खुद जा रहा हूँ.
Hey,
then he
Thakur.
told her we'll go for coffee whatever. So they would keep meeting. फिर प्यार हो गया और तभी क्या है, चट मंगनी पट शादी है.
Yeah,
6 महीना
Oh.
I love you शादी.
Oh.
Yes.
एंड स्ट्रेट इंटरकास्ट, मतलब सिंधी मॉम और डैड महाराष्ट्र. कुछ ऐसे कॉम्बिनेशन कभी ऐसे सुना नहीं है पब्लिक, वो टाइम की बात कर रहा हूं. Obviously to go out and do love marriage in India was a big thing, and also when you're 23 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मतलब
But I also think this I also think that they didn't have the confidence that you and Nikita currently have, which is live together and all. They didn't have a choice. If they wanted to be
Hey,
together, they would have
how
to.
old was your
Baba, they
sensor?
had, but society didn't have.
Society
Like,
is a big difference. No, and the thing is,
you know,
I feel it's incredible that our parents, I think they've had to mature much sooner.
Oh,
than we
of
did.
course.
Sure.
Right, like they were already 35 mentally when they were 23. और मैं
Yeah,
अभी 33 और मेरे को लग रहा है मैं 25 साल का है. वैसा है, like they were already
Yeah.
so responsible. मेरे को अभी भी डर लगता है ब्रो कि एक शादी होगा फिर बच्चा होगा, अरे मैं संभाल पाऊंगा नहीं, और उधर they've gone in. 1 year after they got married, I was out already.
But you think it was easier then? And I'm talking out of my ass here. I don't know. I'm genuinely asking. Was it easier to secure a job and to have enough? Because America, mein you see enough statistics. How the 70s
No,
were a better
so I
time
think it's-
as opposed to the millennials right now.
So
to
the
get a home.
point is, I was
America
coming to
में
that
correct
when I was talking about that with. I was just about to say that about Thakur. I think they matured on all aspects.
Yeah.
Because I think you were a non disinvested economy. You were an economy that was not even burgeoning. You just about sort of started to see things. There were, so within that spectrum, getting your job and securing it, and at that point there was a big thing of मेरे को government job चाहिए. Like I want to be placed. Like my mom had she started off with a private law firm, moved to the Oberoi where she was the legal manager for the Oberoi, the hotel, and then from there she no Oberoi, which is not Tata,
Okay.
and then from there she got into Tata Textiles, which is a subsidiary of National Textiles, which is a subsidiary of the government of India. So the minute she got that job, she stayed in that job for fucking 35-40 years, which is insane. Because a government job secured pension, secured a lot for you at that point. And she did get great offers. She just chose not to do it because those came with the risk of private job. Like, it came with that sort of risk. Whereas my dad...
The mindset was full government job. Both my parents, dad was in Indian Bank, mom was in Vijaya Bank.
There
So
you
you
go.
know that even if say you're getting paid salary-wise lesser than a private bank or a sort of high fundu place, you were still secured because उन लोग अपना पूरा जिंदगी जो बनाया, it's not like they were given बहुत सारा पैसा
Of course, yeah.
जायदाद में or anything from their parents, right? They were fully made ground up, which is so important because those are the values they imbibe in you, right? Where you're like, we were 23 and 21, we were doing jobs that were paying us 1,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees. I know it sounds very less now,
Dude.
but in 87.
Dude, of course, you're absolutely right.
Like, so
My
to
dad-
be able to start a family and sustain for that long, also they did this thing where they went nuclear. Pehla thoda time parents were living with dada dadi
Correct.
and then after that they both together, right, are another ball game altogether. Full risk taker, bro. Abhi tak jitna kya hai, loan, EMI or just sheer will.
Sheer force of will.
Being
Sure
a
force
part-
of will.
Being part of the banking system, that really helps. Like my grandfather,
100%.
my mother's dad. So Nanu was he was a manager at I think SBI or another one. So he essentially had his finances so in place based on loans and things like that. He would flip his houses so often, right till like he was 70. He was flipping his house. अच्छा ये घर बेच के वहां से वहां चले गए, दिल्ली में वो घर खरीद के. He would always buy a house, flip it, and then move to a slightly cheaper place, then sell that house when that value goes up. So he was very clever with that.
Dude, and they were hustlers, bro. Our parents in
Full
their
on.
time were proper hustlers.
Bhari
Because to start ground up on your own and still be able to do everything other people are and provide for your kids and give them that additional thing.
100%.
Not making them feel that they are not getting goodies that the other kids are. It's tough. I
Yeah,
don't know
yeah.
how they
And-
did it.
Dude,
And
my
I am
dad,
big-
my
and
dad
I am
keeps
a-
saying, Bao, 1 second. So my dad keeps saying this thing about how like our family is like the story of India almost, where my grandfather, he worked in a government job and that was what that was. My dad was the first guy who took up a private job and my grandfather couldn't believe it. He was like, don't do this. There's no safety
Correct.
net. There's nothing. And then my father says, and now you are doing a hobby. So,
Yeah.
so it's the story of India.
No,
dude.
and you're
Literally that.
absolutely, even what Thakur is saying is absolutely right. Not just about like how they did it. I'll get to a couple of those instances, but again, because like I have an increment letter of my mother, Okay, from 1975. 1975, I have an income. Sorry, 1976.
He's got like a raise of 4 rupees.
Annual increment, or this was a monthly increment?
कितना है? Can't read.
75 rupees.
$75.
Whoa.
Wow. From 1976.
Yeah.
Crazy.
So I'm saying like, and here it says, you have been granted an annual increment of 75 rupees in your grade.
आजकल मेरे को cashback में ज़्यादा पैसा मिलता है इससे.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Like I have one of her salary slips here, and I look at this and I know how much money I have spent or I have asked for, and the things that I have asked for. कि नहीं मेरे को नया बैग चाहिए, नया जूता चाहिए, नया compass box चाहिए, नया whatever, like just ridiculous demands. Like I think I've spoken about it once. Like there was a Sony 3 CD changer which I wanted for my birthday. Dude, 30,000 रुपए का था ऐसा कुछ तभी, ठीक है? And my mom has got it for me, dude. सब कुछ EMI, but she's managed it. I don't know how they did it, dude. I don't know how my mom did it.
They did this EMI is BC. BC मालूम है ना? It's like it's another word of kitty.
Yeah.
You know, वैसे होता है, but you only do it with like sort of trusted peeps. And
it's like a localized trust. That's what it is.
Correct. No, but then even to have all of these things at your disposal is one thing, and to actually go ahead and do it is another thing.
It's unreal. And with Youth, for example, there were double incomes, right? Like in my case, it was just mom, right? Because after they separated, it was just mom. And the way she's run that house, she bought a house single-handedly in 1991 in India with her money. The cost of the house that she has bought.
Which house was this?
So the house that Kautuk is living in 1991. I got the loan documents. I have the loan documents because obviously we cleared it off at the end and all of that jazz. The house cost was 2,85,000 rupees in 1991. 2,85,000.
Baba, you are getting more in rent than she paid for the house.
Yeah. I'm just saying, like, it's, and I don't know how she did it. And that loan she had to take for 25 years for 2,85,000. It was a 25-year loan where she paid off some 4,26,000 or something like that, which was insane.
No, but now you think about it in retrospect, like growing up, they would reprimand you for doing certain things or tell you that, देखो अभी नहीं समझ रहा है, you will reach a certain age where you understand. Like if they've had their fights and like dad will come and say, you don't know, this is like that, you don't know how it feels. I get it now. I get every single thing that they told me when they were young.
I get why my mother used to beat me, because I realized that she had a 6-year-old and she was 26. That's a messed up situation to have a 6-year-old, and dad was always away. He used to work in America most of the time because shows होते थे. So there were long stretches, like 3, 4 months when dad has gone to like Suriname or like South America doing shows and West Indies because वो actors के जो shows होते रहते थे. So there are chunks where it's just mummy, me and Kashish, and it is just like Kashish दूध नहीं पी रही है तो आदर को 8 on 10 आए dictation में तो आदर को मारो क्योंकि Kashish ने दूध नहीं पिया. So that shit used to happen a lot. But they had a
what was your love story? What was their love story?
They met in college. Dad was in NM, mom was
अरे मेरा बाप भी NM में था.
Shit.
अबू और मिलिंद अबू मिले
और फिर ठाकुर और आदर सेम स्कूल में थे. वाओ.
नहीं, हम लोग
सेम
ट्यूशन में थे. Varun has more friends from my school than I do.
That's true actually.
But one sec, that's also the case of Varun now. Varun has more friends than all three of us put together. So let's be honest.
No, but it's specific. His closest friends are from my school and my class. It's weird.
Like आदर के एक रोल नंबर आगे और पीछे दोस्त.
तो आधे लोग वही बोलते थे आदर की, मैं तेरे स्कूल में गया सिर्फ कोई लेक्चर नहीं अटेंड किया. वो घोस्ट स्टूडेंट था, पीछे बैठा हुआ किधर.
And the weird thing is, I have my closest friends are from Hansraj.
Yeah, which is my school.
In my building. So which is Varun's school. My closest friend who's in New York, I'm still in touch with him. I meet him like when I go. He was in Hansraj.
I had no idea Bridge was from Hansraj, dude.
That's where he gets the accent. So,
sorry, what was the thing?
So my mom dad met. I think dad met her at a party because dad was passed out. Like he had graduated.
बहुत दारू पी लिया, I'm passed out.
Abu, this is another difference between our parents and us.
So he went and he met her at a party, and next thing you know, they had a house in Khar. Okay, and Nanu had a bank.
Chat Mangni Bhat house.
Yeah, they had a good house in Khar, and Nanu had a consistent income. Whether Dada didn't have a consistent income at all. Okay, and they had a tiny little place in Juhu. And what would happen is Dabbu Chacha, Dad, and Anu uncle would end up at the house to eat, because up till that point, these three guys who have had their mother cooking all this halim and biryani and everything have never eaten paneer. They are so garib, they have not eaten paneer. So mera baap wahan pe jata tha, and both of them used to show up to eat paneer, because Nani used to make paneer on a regular basis. And they just started living out of that house. And Dabbu Chacha was shooting for Mahabharat, B.R. Chopra's Mahabharat. He was Surya Putra. So bagal mein shooting hoti thi. From there, he would come to sleep in the afternoons at Nani's house. And Nani is basically like, how have these people ransacked our house without any commitment to a marriage? He was like, haan, shaadi ho jayegi. They just started living out of that house.
You know what vision I had? I had a vision of Dabbu Chacha walking in costume as Surya Putra. Just lying down.
कुछ भोजन दीजिए.
Paneer ho to अच्छा होगा. And they got married, but they had a full proper double wedding, no? So we have two sets of photographs. So
double wedding as in Hindu and Muslim.
Yeah. So Kashish for her wedding actually wore mummy's old dress which she wore for the wedding.
Oh wow.
So that's like way back, and I don't know how mummy's. एक तो ये माँ जो बचा के रखती है सामान.
Unreal.
30 साल के लिए बचा के रखा मम्मी ने ये शादी का जोड़ा, and it was good enough for my sister to wear at the wedding, and they had shuddhis. So my father has 2 birth certificates, my mother has 2 birth certificates. So my father has a separate name which is like it's Abu, and then there's Ankit or something, which is the Hindu birth certificate. Some rand. And my mother has a second birth certificate, which is a very
have you just made them illegals in this country? Like, have you
technically
2 birth certificates?
They are doubly legal, Baba. I mean, they are fully insured.
So the father, my dad had to convert while they did the Hindu ceremony, and my mother had to convert when they did the. But this is all the religious ceremony, right? Ultimately, to Special Marriage Act, it doesn't matter. So they just like, you get married at the court ultimately. But these are all like
I still can't get over कि Abu actually Ankit hai.
Dude, this episode should be called the.
Abu is
this episode should be just called it should just be called the reveal of the names, dude.
And that's what it reveal my original name if this episode reaches.
Your original name is Varun. The alternate name that you could have been.
No, that was supposed to be my original name.
What is the first?
As per the letter that was taken out by the Bharji.
Which is what?
But what is
this? I will not tell you. As long
as letter तो बोल.
ऐसा थोड़ी सस्पेंस ऐसा होता है क्या? अरे जो मर्डर है ना उसका नाम कैसे चालू होता है तो वो नहीं वैसा नहीं है.
ठाकुर, you know what you're doing ना? तूने टीजर डाला, फिर मोशन पोस्टर, फिर टीजर ट्रेलर, फिर ट्रेलर, फिर सेकंड ट्रेलर,
और फिर राधे. Okay, no. So there's a it's a slightly somber moment, because I just want to talk about something where like you're talking about like moms being able to save things and like properly keep things proper and stuff like that. So this is a slightly somber moment because it's about my mom and my discovery about things after mom passed. Okay, so I mean we can laugh and all, but I'm just saying I'm going to take the mood a little low, guys. So what happened is like the day mom went into the hospital, so the night before that she was feeling faint or whatever, so she said I don't want to go in the night, I will go in the morning. I was like, please and all, and then mom is not going to listen to anybody, so we didn't. And then I said, okay, I'll come in the morning and we'll take you. So she was like, okay. Now after mom passed, I went and I opened, and my mom was, I mean, she's a Libran and all, but she's the messiest person. Like, not messy in terms of dirty or thing, but she hoards everything.
She's a good footballer.
she hoards everything, and she used to hoard everything, and also it used to just be put like it wasn't ये file अलग से ये file अलग से, which is a very un-mom characteristic. Of course, moms put things in places and then lose them and then be like, I'd kept it safely. So that typical trait to existed. When I went back home, I opened the safe, and dude, you won't believe it. Every single paper that I needed to do, all the documentation that needed to be done, was in one file stacked up, and I couldn't believe that that's how organized she was. And I'm 100% certain that she did it in the night. I'm 100% certain that she did it in the night. And it's some unbelievable
follow up about the story.
Yeah.
So, when we Siddhi and I was supposed to move into this,
एक तो ये कौतुक और सिद्धि ने ना कुछ मेरा बहुत ऐसा कीमती सामान दे दिया है कारपेंटर लोग को. दे दिया है मम्मी का सामान.
I'll tell you why. Because for months we have told Baba, hey, can you clear the house, because we have to repaint it and shit. So Baba's like, yeah, I'll do. Then Baba comes to the house, he opens the cupboard and he breaks down. Because he just can't, because it's like his mom stuff, right? And he's not seen it in years, and it's just too emotional. So he shuts the cupboard, locks it, goes away. Then we go like, Baba, have you done anything? He's like, sorry, I can't do it, I just can't. So एक रात को सिद्धि और मैं आए, वे बोले बाबा से नहीं होने वाला है, तो
जला दिया
कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स में सब डाला है. ठीक है
ब्रो. एक कप था जो एक राजा का कप था. It was like a family heirloom. Because one of my somewhere in my fucking family, some guy was some accountant or some cock of some Raja somewhere. Okay, so we had one.
Some Raja.
God knows what he was.
Weird job description.
Uncle, क्या करते हो? मैं एक cock हूँ.
So he was some accountant, or basically he used to work in the
private sector or public government job था.
Public sector cock.
So there's this guy there's this some relative or whatever some great grandfather pardada type vibe used to work in a court of some king. So obviously he had some kingly things, and one of it was this really cool cup. It was like proper china with and it was one of those like Raja cups, okay, it had almost become a family heirloom.
More time pe
Dhapesh cup.
Dhapesh, no, Kautuk has given it. So there is a carpenter in, I don't know, Mulund or something, sitting and having chai from a king's cup without knowing that it costs a bomb.
Baba, let me tell you, it gets worse.
Oh God.
We gave it to, so what happened is, so we had cleared out as much as we could. We went to Baba's house one night and we just said, ye rakh sara saman. Okay. Then there were still a few things left, including this cup. So our carpenter has said कि भाई साहब ये कप है क्या करने का. तो he's called me up on the phone, right? So I was like, कप है ना, रख ले. ठीक है. तो later Baba told me, listen, it was some fucking invaluable cup, like meaning I could have made crores of it. So I've called the carpenter and I've said, भाई साहब कप किधर है? तो he's like, नहीं वो एक सिग्नल पे एक औरत थी, वो ये सब यूज सामान लेती है, मैंने दे दिया. तो मैं बोला कौन सा सिग्नल? तो बोलता है इधर ही आगे सिग्नल पे. तो I told Baba, in case you want the cup, गाड़ी निकाल, सिग्नल पे जा और पूछ कि कप है क्या किसी के पास.
What a guy this guy is. But anyway, I know
वो तो अभी must be swimming.
But she doesn't know na. That's the thing. She might have broken it also, dude. Because it's like really, it's really fine bone china and things like. Anyway, Kautuk, I know the story you're going to tell. So tell.
No, this is the story. Like in the sense that like he. Baba just couldn't do it. Like there were, I mean, like if you've never seen
I thought you were talking about
sarees, then Baba was the guy. Like he he would just break down.
No, even when we went the last time, when we went the last time also, no, like it was just the reality of it. No, it's so scary. Like वैसा सब दुपट्टा निकालेगा तो उधर वैसा वो वाला vibe है. तो थोड़ा tough हो गया. But mom had organized and Kautuk, you remember the cupboard, right? It was just things stuffed into the cupboard. That's how mom was.
No,
right?
I agree. But when Neville said ki she was a little messy, I remember seeing it firsthand.
Yeah. So I mean, it was clean and all, but it was just dumped inside.
I remember going to the house and saying, "Baby, Baba, I will rent the house." Initially, I went there and I was like, nope, I can't clean this up. And I turned around
and suddenly auntie आई. बाबा मैं एक्चुअली अपने माँ बाप के साथ रहने वाला हूँ 5 साल के लिए।
So,
मुझे तेरी मम्मी के साथ रहना पड़ा।
So I was so surprised.
Like the road outside. I blamed JVLR कि मैं JVLR पे नहीं आ सकता, but it was like, dude, this is a lot of mehnat to clean up. This requires two people. I can't do this.
So that was so like when I saw those papers and all organized, I was like, "Fuck, it's unreal how she must have done." And that's what moms are like incredible
Dude,
when it comes to that.
Talking about this, ये देख मेरे मॉम ने मेरे को कल भेजा है सब ओल्ड डॉक्यूमेंट शी हैज। ये मैं कराटे क्लासेस जाता था, कैन यू सी इट? कराटे क्लासेस का
मैं भी किया था गोजू का कराटे डो,
गोजू स्कूल ऑफ कराटे डो।
ओ मैं भी गोजू का है, मैं भी गोजू का है।
डॉन बॉस्को,
कैन यू सी दिस?
नहीं थोड़ा पीछे, बहुत ब्राइट।
Okay, I've got a extremely embarrassing
Guile Shield Cricket Goju School of Karate Do, और ये देख क्या है, Young Buzz Personality Development Class।
Oh no!
उधर उन लोग literally sketch pen से लिखा, this is to certify Varun has cleared
नहीं ठाकुर pause. What the fuck did they teach you at the personality class?
How to eat with chopsticks।
ये है personality.
What were you practicing for, Mr. Universe?
Is this a personality?
Dude, I only went there because the girl I had a crush on was going there.
Of course.
The reason for 90% of the shit that you do.
That's true. उसे मेरे mom ने मेरे को भेजा, remember when you wanted to join personality development class and you made a very strong case for it, kya re, you know, this will really help me. But I knew your actual reason to go there was because that girl was also going. अभी 10th standard नहीं, 9th standard के बाद था ये, bro, इधर the club में।
Okay, I want to show this extremely embarrassing photo. Okay, this my mom has sent me 2 days back. Okay, and the guy who's spazzing out in the front, that is me. And
wow, I've never seen you this animated.
You see that? You see this? This is a castle.
Shield.
Okay?
Oh
no, it's a castle. So my mom sent this to me and she said, remember when you did this? Now the story behind this is that I had a lot of these GI Joes and shit, right? And I was like that young and I was like, I want a castle so that I can play with my GI Joes and the thing. So I've come home and I was like, fuck, I'll need help with this. I can't just do it by myself. So I've come home and I've told my mom, we have been given a project in school to build a castle. So because it's project from school, she has kept aside everything she had to do for that day. And full day she has helped me make this thing. Okay, foil lag, box kata pita. Okay. Then at the end, and then the next morning, I'm going to school, and she says, "Wait, you forgot your castle." I was like, "No, mom, वो actually घर के लिए था."
कान के नीचे
गंदे
sauce sandwiches खाने पड़े.
अच्छा, do you guys remember when you first got slapped and why? क्योंकि अपना parenting has become
from my
parenting कान के नीचे था. अगर ये नहीं किया तो so they would try and talk normally.
But from my mom, I've gotten various types of hitting. From my dad, I've only gotten slapped, and I've gotten slapped from my dad just once.
Me too. Once. Hard. Why? What was your reason?
I'll tell you. My reason was I spoke rudely to a waiter.
Okay. My reason was I lied.
Oh
wow. I basically did really poorly in a physics exam. And to top it off, in my exam paper, I had surprisingly finished the physics exam really fast.
No
had
shit.
A lot of time. So yeah, because I knew nothing. तो I had so much time कि मैं ऐसे विंडो के बाहर एक कौवा बैठा था, वो ड्रॉ कर दिया पेपर पे. ठीक है, फिर मार्क्स आया है. My dad has seen that fucking drawing also. He's like, this is what the fuck you are doing.
थोड़ा बोलने का ना, मैं कौवे का फिजिक्स बता रहा था कि कैसा विंग स्पैन इतना है तो ऐसा
मेरे को आर्ट्स करना है. आर्ट्स.
So yeah, so no.
मेरे को मेरे डैड ने
मेरे को भी झूठ बोलने के लिए
मेरे को ना, so we used to have food given to us in school. We had a mess hall, उधर बैठ के तो खाना मिलता था. लेकिन वो जो दूसरे कैंटीन है वहां जाके भुर्जी खाना बेटर होता ना. Usually you would steal money from dad's wallet. By the way, dad, I'm sorry if you watch this. Not like you didn't know. We used to think we were so smart कि अरे जाके ऐसे 50 रुपए निकाल लिया और डैड को तो मालूम.
Because that's all that dad had. That 50 रुपए was his spare 50 रुपए.
ठाकुर तूने ये हाइस्ट एपिसोड में क्यों नहीं बोला है ये सब स्टोरीज?
अरे ये इतने साल किया. My dad was let it slide कि चल ठीक है, but I'm sure he knows. तो मैं पैसा चोरी करके जाके अंडा भुर्जी खा रहा. तो एक दिन डैड दोपहर को पूछते हैं कि अरे कल क्या खाया स्कूल में खाने में? तो मैं कुछ फेंक रहा हूँ कि मैं पूरी भाजी और दाल. अच्छा, लेकिन तुकाराम ने तो बोला कि तू नहीं आया था खाने. हमने ये क्या गूगली है, तो कौन है तुकाराम? तुकाराम कौन है? डैड बोलते ही वन ऑफ द उधर जो खाना सर्व, मैं उसको जानता हूँ तुकाराम को। तो उसका वो मेरे को उस दिन मिला रास्ते पे, उसने बोला कि अरे आजकल वरुण खाने नहीं आ रहा है। तो मेरी फट गई, बोला तुकाराम, तुकाराम को कैसे मालूम पड़ा? तो फिर मेरी फट गई, फिर मैंने बोल दिया कि हाँ एक्चुअली मैं कल नहीं गया था खाने के लिए ये वो। और फिर डैड ने दिया मुझे कान के नीचे हाँ, एक बार मारा था ऐसे सट, मैं भूलूंगा नहीं अभी। और इधर ना ऐसे रिंग पहनते हैं ना, तो रिंग का निशान, ठीक है, और ऐसे कान के नीचे। उसके बाद अभी तक मारा नहीं है मुझे कभी डैड ने। वो एक बार झूठ बोला।
हाँ सेम, डैड हैज हिट मी only once and
मेरा बाप से मार पड़ा, हाँ मेरे को मार का भी नहीं पड़ा, बट मॉम से मेरे को पहला वाला याद।
अरे ब्रो, मॉम से तो I have gotten hit with various designer objects.
नहीं, but it wasn't that. Like I got 4 on 10 in some random dictation, and I thought मैं घर में घुसने से पहले वो जूते का रैक होता था ना, तो there were चप्पल्स of mummy that she doesn't use. एक सेक्शन होता था अलग से ड्रॉर में,
उसके नीचे रखा उसने पेपर
डिक्टेशन। हाँ, उसके नीचे मैंने डिक्टेशन बुक रखा है, तो वो डिक्टेशन बुक उधर ही रहता है चप्पल के नीचे। For some reason, mummy had something to go to where he needed.
It's called mom's intuition. It's not anything else.
चप्पल, and मम्मी ने निकाला है और मैं बैठ के टीवी देख रहा हूँ। The worst time to get caught is when you're not doing any work.
Yeah. And it's usually then only when you get caught.
Yeah, when your life is actually going well.
Yeah.
It's a great precursor to life, that when your life is going well, you will get.
Imagine, so my dad, right? My dad's a proud Maharashtrian, Manus. और हम लोग फोर्थ से जब 5th स्टैंडर्ड जाते थे, that time मराठी was introduced. उसके पहले मराठी नहीं था। तो जो introduction to Marathi, even if you're a Maharashtrian, is still like your basic words. Then they would take a dictation, ये वो 25 मार्क का था डिक्टेशन। वो कितना मिला उसमें?
4
1
Oh, fuck.
मैं मराठी मानुस मिलिंद ठाकुर का बेटा, तो मिला है 1 out of 20। मेरी डैड मेरे को मारा नहीं, मेरी डैड की इतनी सनक गई थी, आई नेवर फॉरगेट। एंड इसलिए मैं ये फ्रेम करके घर पे रखूंगा कि मेरा बेटा को एक मार्क 25 मार्क का 1 मार्क मिला था। He was so angry. So angry.
I wish he had followed through, man. I wish he had followed through so that guests would come in.
Great story right now.
अरे मिलिंद साहब बहुत अच्छा घर है ये, पेंटिंग क्या है?
मेरी माँ मेरे को बहुत बोलती थी, आंटी यू ashamed, शर्म नहीं आ रही तुझे देख रहा? तो my logic in my head was, शर्म आ रही है when I look eye to eye to her, so I have to look down. That is called शर्म.
You know the sad part about moms hitting you na is that they would get hurt more.
Yeah. Arey no, which is why they devised, dude, I'm telling you, I went to boarding school, so from the 5th standard मेरा मार थोड़ा कम पड़ गया, सिर्फ वेकेशन में पड़ता था, but I have gotten hit with you know the thing with which you turn chapatis with, basically whatever is around her, no, that chamta, so we call it chipia. So whatever is around her, no, in a Parsi household there is something called a pichi. Okay, it's a very Parsi thing. The word is very Parsi. The jugad is not. No. It's basically a wooden stick to which they attach a cloth, which is tied, which you can take out and then wash. And it is for dusting high places. Okay, so it's a jugad. No.
Duster.
It's duster. It's a duster which is high. So So she's taken that and whipped me like I'm some fucking piece of dirt.
Chattel.
Patak.
मेरे मॉम ने मेरे भाई को तो इतना मारा है, and after ना she would just hold her hand and cry. She's like, I can't even hit him anymore because इसको मैं मारने तो मुझे ज्यादा लगता है।
Yeah.
तो फिर बेल्ट,
have you ever accidentally
इतना क्या हग रहा है तेरा भाई, क्यों पड़ रहा है उसको?
before we
बहुत खुजली थी ना करण की, उसको तो बहुत पड़ती है।
Before we go into any like food and all, because of course if we're talking about parents and home and all, we want to talk about food. I just want to know, have you ever in a way accidentally injured your parents?
What?
In a tantrum or something like that?
Go ahead and tell us the story.
Of course, I'll tell you. So
Such a lead-in.
Because of course, as a kid also you have temper tantrums and stuff like that. And if you're a single child, you get a lot of leeway. Okay. So I remember I once had Yeah, I mean, not out of guilt. I mean, because I can manipulate mom, na. Like I can do ungli, na. So single child, single mom, so that connection is thing. So I was throwing a temper tantrum or something like that once, and वो चाय का छन्नी नहीं होता है. So I was in the kitchen or whatever. So I was so angry, you know. I took that chutney and I flung it against the wall, dude. So I flung it against the wall. It ricocheted off the wall and it hit my mom on the eyebrow, dude. And I was so scared because like it immediately obviously bled and all. And I was like, मेरे को इतना मार पड़ने वाला ना इसके लिए. That was my first thing. It wasn't out of, I wasn't like, oh God, कौन निकल रहा है मम्मी. I was like, मेरे को इतना पड़ने वाला ना for this. But then my mom was like, sharp, let's go to the doctor. So then she quietly went and she went to the doctor. She had to like whatever bandage it no. When she came back, no, she didn't say anything to me. And that guilt of not saying anything has worked so well. For 15 days, I have done dishes, hung clothes, I have folded clothes, I have put them in cupboard. I have done everything for 15 days. Like a good boy till that bandage was on her eyebrow. I have done all the house chores that I was asked to do.
She should have just kept it on for the rest of her life. Like
no, by then I think by the time I was 14 or whatever, then I realized so I would anyway do it. But till then, oh God, I was a fucking brat. I was a
dude, मेरी नानी एक बार ऐसे रास्ते में मेरे को लेके चल रही है and I'm like 2 years old or something. Like I've barely started walking. Okay, that was the age. And
but you have my grandmother
is no, this is Nani's memory. And she's walking around and she slips and falls into the gutter. Like one of those big ass gutters in वो जो बैंड्रा में होते हैं ना लिंकिंग रोड के आसपास.
क्यों बैंड्रा में बड़ा गटर है?
उस टाइम बड़ा गटर होता. They used to live in Khar, na? So
I'm assuming it's a manhole that he means, but he doesn't know.
Not a manhole. No, not a manhole.
No,
gutter. Open face gutter जो होता था, जो lines that used to run. She slipped
channel.
She fell. The channel. She slipped. She fell into a dry gutter. Now she somehow protected me. Okay, she's hurt her hand. यहाँ पे कटवट हो गया है, सब हो गया. And चुपचाप आके मेरे को घर पे छोड़ के चले गए. Now my mother has told me the story कि that day Nani came. She left you. She didn't say hi to me. She just left you and fucked off. Okay. And Nani next day is calling my mom and asking, Aadar, theek hai na? Kuch problem to nahi hai? So my mother has no idea till years later that she fell in the gutter with me.
Wow.
This is proper Friends ka episode ke bata rahe nahi hai.
Me and my cousin were almost kidnapped once. Outside Mahim.
I mean, not nice, but yeah.
Yeah. So apparently there used to be these guys who used to almost wear these abayas and would sort of just put them over boys and then take them away. Apparently this was happening. And maybe it was fear that they told us this story. But me and my cousin were sort of, look, you know how now parents walk in front a little bit and sometimes you walk too much in front, sometimes you are staying because you found an earthworm or some gandul roaming around on the street, so you start playing with it. So
very low expectation of entertainment option.
Gandul is earthworm, guys. So I'm saying, but you know now what we had only these limited options. One stone would magically make 50 meters of your walk amazing because you could kick it in one single thing. So we were walking. Apparently what happened is one of them managed to put it, but what happened is because I was clumsy, I tripped in his abaya. So I fell down inside his abaya. And that's how they sort of quickly like realized, because they were like, where's Neville? And they heard one, that was me who's fallen down. And that's how they realized. And this guy just immediately ran and dashed away. This could be a completely made up story by my mom to make sure that I never leave her hand.
The facts align for sure. Like all the things in the story.
That I was distracted by a gandul.
That you're clumsy, that you fell down.
Or the fact that your mom made it up to make sure you never stop holding her hand.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's mostly that.
तेरे memory में कुछ imprint नहीं हुआ है क्या ये कि तू किसी के अबाया के नीचे?
Dude, I don't have. That's what I'm saying. Like for me, a lot of my memories are hearsay. Almost up to being like 15, 16. Pre that, there are very few memories that are stuck. I know it's probably a virtue of what I've been through, but I just don't have too many memories of childhood that are necessarily.
Is there anything about your parents or something that your parents always wanted that you feel deep down inside that you want to make happen for them or you made happen for them? anything of that sort? Like, because like I'll give you an example. The reason I'm asking this question is because I've seen my parents, right, from a very young age, where they were clueless about everything in life, to be able to reach wherever, provide for the family, give the kids everything they want, and also lead a certain lifestyle. They both somehow loan ye wo karke na, they bought a row house in Lonavala. Okay, it was called VK's Cottage, where they were doing their own gardening.
Vicky's Cottage.
VK Varun और करण वैसे Vicky's Cottage नहीं.
उधर भी तुम लोग का ही नाम डाला, माँ बाप भी ना.
अबे माँ बाप को खुद के लिए कुछ करना पसंद है क्या? कभी कुछ नहीं, ये नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए, डैडी को नहीं चाहिए, इसको नहीं चाहिए, तुम्हारे लिए सब.
I think it's also decision fatigue. चल हाँ ठीक है, बच्चों के नाम पर रखो, बच्चों के नाम पर.
But like,
I agree.
Yes, but I feel like just parents go ahead and sacrifice fucking everything, all their happiness, all their wishes and wants, just to make sure the kids.
एक disclaimer डालना चाहिए इस part पे, that I know a lot of parents are not like that. There are some parents. There are some parents who are not the best parents, and for those who are watching this, genuinely, this is not to like just brag or rub it in your face or anything.
Yeah.
We've been fortunate to have good parents, and think we've had our share of problems across the board. But
I'll share one of them after this.
So talking about this house, right? And I've literally seen their entire life change after they got this house. Like there was this inside a feeling of accomplishment कि यार हमने खुद से अपना एक घर तो खड़ा किया बॉम्बे में, but we've also gotten a weekend home, and just to see the family, the extended family around us getting so happy, we would keep making trips there. But I would always leave or not go because I get the house in Bombay for the weekend. And they would keep telling me that, you don't realize the importance, but when you grow up, you will. When you grow up, you will. Right now, you're just sitting at home, chilling with your friends. You should come with us. Or I should not pay attention. Arey nahi yaar, fuck it, who cares? I'm not going. मैं Bombay में मजा करेगा, this, that. And unfortunately, because of some business wala scene, they went into a deeper loan. And the only way out of that loan, because the bank was being an absolute harami fucking bank and treated my parents with like absolute fuck-allness. If that's not even a word, I can't even think about it. And I just realized that I wish कि अभी जाके मैं उसको एक दे सकता कान के नीचे, literally, because they treated them like shit and they said, no, you have this amount, इतना पैसा अभी कभी देना ही है. So parents didn't have any other option but to go and sell that Lonavala wala house. And I remember that morning they stepped out of the house with this hope that, the bank will give them an extension and they won't have to do it, to them then and there going, finding a buyer and selling the house. All of this in a day.
Distress.
And coming back home. Yeah, distress sale, right? Oh, jaldi chahiye paisa kyunki bank sir pe. And they came and they went, we were all at my Masi's house and they all drank because after the sort of shit day that they had, it was just like, and we tried whatever. Yeah. Sucks that it had to go. I've never seen them feel or be more sad. They wouldn't show it, but you can sense it. So एक मेरा lifelong dream यही रहा है कि उनको वापस एक वही जगह पे एक साला बड़ा घर लेके देने का. You know what I mean? Like it just something about.
Varun, this time when you buy it, make sure it's called Vicky's Cottage.
Yeah.
I need Vicky to give me some money.
Yeah. But this time it will be Varun who's hanging out there more, and the parents are like,
मेरे साथ हुआ because क्या हुआ? I reached age 16 और मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ उधर birthday पे गया था. And that weekend in that house was the best weekend I've had because it's my house, my friends, we are chilling, and that's when I realized, oh fuck, this is what my parents meant. And before I could enjoy it further, we had to sell it.
Yeah. There's a line that says, the older I get, the smarter my parents become.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Which basically is this. Like it's very similar with me. Like okay, so what happened with me was, I did the first half of my schooling till the 5th standard in Bombay. We used to live in Lower Parel only, and I used to go to St. Mary's ICSE. Then my dad got a job in Thane with Raymond, so we all moved to Thane. Now I hated it there. I was in Singhania school, but I hated it. I hated it just because the move meant that I had to leave my friends and all of that, and you're going to a new place.
Of course. Yeah.
And like for a full year, dude, I used to throw tantrums. you're just yelling at them saying that it's your fault that I'm here and I don't like it and it sucks. But it turned out to be one of the best phases of my childhood. And now when I realize it, right, I realize all the stresses as an adult. You realize that none of these decisions are easy. I got uprooted, but so did they. Yeah. And they don't make you feel any of that stuff. Like that's what, like, I feel like good parenting is basically that umbrella that protects you from, that allows you to develop without the stresses of the real world, right? And obviously until a certain age. And I think that's one of the things that, like, now when I look back at it, I was like, that was a great decision, and you guys knew what you were doing, and it took me all this time to fucking come to that conclusion. So yeah, so sometimes
it's like becoming my parents, like Dada ka ghar, it was a 1-bedroom house in Juhu, okay, and when they got married, all three of them got married together. So there was a point where there were 3 new couples, newlyweds, and Dada Dadi living in a 1 BHK, and then I was born. Fuck. In the same 1 BHK. And I was there for the first year until my father got like, holy shit, I got to move out somehow. And then left and got a house somewhere in Andheri East. He's like, no, I have to go to... And Andheri East was like horrible back then. And so it was like एक 1.5 लाख में जो घर खरीदा था एक और but that was, they actually made that happen basically for me. Like up till that point, who knows, like maybe the kids at that point of time gave them a little more, hey, हमको जाके कुछ करने का है.
तो और क्या सपना पूरा करना है? मैं तो नहीं कर सकता बट
या करना था या ऑलरेडी किया भी,
थोड़ा बहुत किया था बट काफी चीज नहीं भी किया. I think I became a better person that she would like much after she passed away, unfortunately. That is my biggest regret, I think.
But I feel like her death was that billiards ball that pushed your ball into the right direction.
Yeah, I know. That's what. No, once I said it also, I'd put it out, I think, saying that like she needed to sacrifice her life for me to become a slightly better person.
And that's what parenting is about.
which is the but मम्मी को जब मैं गाड़ी लिया था ना मेरे पैसों से, मेरा वाला जो गाड़ी है जो जब मैं मेरे पैसों से लिया, like I could actually see how thrilled and ecstatic she was when she sat in it. Like I have a picture of her sitting in the car with like the plastic sheets and all. She would refuse to take those out also.
Yeah, even my dad, dude, he got so fried. We took out the plastic. He said, "तुम सबका निकालो, मेरे सीट का नहीं निकलेगा." मेरे सीट मतलब ड्राइवर सीट. तो एक दो तीन हफ्ता after getting a new car, only one seat had plastic. Which my dad refused to remove.
Dude, so in I think that's the reason why, even though my car is almost 7 years old now, it's almost 6.5 years old. The sun thing, the plastic is still on it. I think it's still a version of like mom saying don't take it out.
But your car is like 6 years old. When did you transition from that Santro, which was a death trap?
the more than that 2014
it didn't meet BMC fire guidelines, that car.
God, dude,
no, like and with me
other cars meet fire guidelines.
That car particularly
मेरा पैर नीचे like पूरा Flintstones हो जाएगा मेरा कि अभी पैर नीचे जाएगा और मेरे को पैर से ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा.
So it's almost like you're sitting in Baba stand like Baba fast चला ना, हाँ ठीक है तू fast भाग फिर.
So the Santro also story was really nice. Like mom retired or whatever, and then she said I have a surprise for you or whatever, and then she took me to the Santro showroom, and we're like, we're getting a car and all. She's like, you've already got it. और लिया मेरे लिए गाड़ी ब्रो, तो वो सैंट्रो इसके लिए थोड़ा स्पेशल था तभी. बट हाँ, मैं रगड़ा है वो गाड़ी को बहुत ज्यादा, टू अ पॉइंट वेयर व्हेन आई सोल्ड इट द गाय वाज लाइक, सर आप मेरे को पैसे दो लेने के लिए. बट या व्हेन आई गॉट द कार आई थिंक शी वाज रियली एक्साइटेड. बट आई थिंक माय बिगेस्ट रिग्रेट इज शी डिडंट गेट टू सी मी नाउ.
So tell me one thing. What is? I mean, I'm sure a big part of who we are comes from our parents, right? The knowledge they've imparted, the things they've taught you, or the things you've learned just looking at them, right? Amongst the many things that qualify under that, what are the few things that literally you have picked up from your parents that have helped you in life? Like, is there anything particular that sticks out?
Yeah, man. Yeah. This I've noticed about myself. Like the older I got, like I was not a particularly like academically interested, or like, there are some kids who know what they want at a very early age. I was not that person. I was very clueless. But the older I've gotten, one thing I've picked up from my dad, which is his work ethic. Like he has a very strong work ethic, and I picked that up from my dad. And
which is incredibly annoying for us because he doesn't reply to WhatsApps.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I sent a मेरा dad का he used to always get up, get ready, and leave for office. His thing, like, even though because he's a freelancer,
waking up in office and getting ready,
because it doesn't matter for him, right? He can handle all his stuff on the phone. He could handle all his stuff at home.
Okay.
You know, so he would always have this space of work. Yeah, he would always create a space of work, which I think I've continued to do even at home. Like, I think my for me, in the home is that. Sorry.
For me, I think it's two things, particularly from mom. One is the absolute like honesty at work. Like I've discussed things with you all about, like, how there is enough room for slide mein se sab paisa aane ka and all that. But so I think that honesty at work, and I think reading, just habit of, because shit at academics, completely shit. But I think reading is something that definitely.
For me, I had like two things that particularly stick out from who or what my parents are.
And my linguistic ability.
First thing is definitely like guts, like the element of go for it.
From whom did you get this? From dad, mom?
Both. I think my parents both are a kind of couple that तू उसको अकेला निकालना, उन लोग strong नहीं, लेकिन तू दोनों को साथ में रखना तो
some of the parts is greater. Yeah.
वो तो कुछ अलग ही है level पे. मतलब if my dad would not be able to do something, mom coming and saying नहीं चल अपन ऐसा करते, we'll figure out and retrospectively figure out how to achieve that. But let's go. Let's take that step. So,
which is why I think Thakur was always the cool kid in school. like I was like the bullied in school.
But from imagine they first got married, living in one small 1 BHK with 5 other people. From that to go out, become nuclear at that age, right? Like a nuclear family. Take a house on rent. Eventually work to a point where you're able to now not just pay rent, but you have bought the house, even though it's a 1 BHK. Then from Andheri East moving to Andheri West, that's also a lot of people don't realize, but it's a significant change in how you know the lifestyle. East and West is actually a massive change. You don't only move to the West, your other expenses go up. A lot of things change. So to be able to take that head on and go for it and saying we'll figure it out is one thing. And I think second, I get a lot of my comedy from my parents, man. Because from a young age, I've just seen my parents be the life of a party. They are the most social people you'll see, have tons of friends, and I sort of always grew up seeing that. तो वो एक अंदर अपने आप एक हैबिट इनकलकेट हो जाता है, being sociable, being funny. My dad अभी तक उसका फेवरेट चीज क्या है, वो गाना लेता था फिर अपना रिमिक्स बनाता था, right? Like बोई कुल्यात गेली सुई. It's very stupid, doesn't come across, but for a 5-year-old me, when I'm hearing this, I was
genius.
Arey, wow. Okay, I mean that's not the basis of my comedy, guys. Don't.
Kulyat geli sui.
Kulyat geli sui.
It's an injection song.
Lot of my, I think my comedic prowess somehow has been inculcated in me by my parents.
I had the opposite experience. Like I have, there is in Jerry Seinfeld's one of his specials, he has this line where he's like, I had to come out to my parents that I was funny. Like I had that experience. Like my parents couldn't, like, they're like, where did this happen? How did we go wrong?
Yeah.
So, but like I have a couple of thoughts about parents, which I want to talk about. One is that when we talk about parents, we talk about it from the perspective of childhood, right? But I think it's one of the things that everyone at some point if you are fortunate enough to have them when you're older, you come up with this realization that one day it just suddenly, it's the way the light is hitting them or whatever it is, that you realize, oh my god, my parents have gotten really old.
Yeah.
Because when you're a kid, they're invincible. They're
Hmm.
literally invincible, right? Nothing can happen to them. And then time slowly passes, and then the hair grays, the skin sags, like they just become old people. And it's a realization you get, and you realize that that's when you realize how valuable it is to have them around, and how
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
should
yeah.
value them, that when they are there. And the second thing that I was thinking about was this, that and this realization came to me when I was writing Red Card. I was writing about being in school, about having all these angst and things like that. And while I was writing about it, that's when I realized that all this while, now when I look back at those days as an adult, I realized that what I used to mistake in my parents as anger was not anger. It was actually fear. Right? They, like, a lot of people have this experience where my parents used to be so upset with me. They used to constantly be yelling at me, all of that stuff. That's not anger, that's fear. And they're afraid of what will happen to you because they know a little more about life.
Correct.
So they're constantly trying to be like, don't do this because I know how this ends. Right? So unfortunately, it's difficult to communicate because of the distance between you, right? Because you don't have that experience. It's difficult to communicate those ideas. The older you get, the more you realize.
Like your parents, so your parents are not always right. They just have more experience at being wrong. So listen to the crap
And
they
hence
say.
they are right.
Like, I'll tell you something. Like, I had this moment with my parents where for the longest time, and this is natural, especially like we were talking about where our parents came from. The India we inhabit right now is not the India that they inhabited, right?
Not
Absolutely.
not even close. Yeah.
So for them, my parents were very concerned that what is this career? Where is it going? What's happening?
Right.
And I remember this one conversation with them. It was in one afternoon where I sat them down and I said to them, here's the thing. I cannot give you concrete answers as to what's going to happen, but I can tell you one thing. You guys have done a fabulous job of providing me a compass of values, morality, and just how to conduct myself in life.
Right.
And that's the best thing that you can possibly have gifted me. I will try my best to use that and do whatever I have to in my life. And material success and all, I have no idea, but at least that part I can tell you is covered.
It's weird. It's weird when Kautuk says this to his parents and then they see him on stage cracking path jokes. This is not the Kautuk who had this conversation about his career with us, guys.
No, so exactly. So and what that did is, I think that communication, I think at some level that's what they just wanted to hear, that at least you're doing the right thing no matter where you're doing it. So
no, I mean, like for me, I think one of the biggest lessons my mom taught me is don't take credit card debt on. And I think which is why, like, credit card debt, like I'm so, like, I pay off my entire credit card bill in the month. Like I don't, there is no, like, there's that. And like, obviously not alcohol from my father. So like, I think there have been these like decent things. But like, I know what you're talking about. Like, just one day they turn old, right? And in my case with dad, I didn't have that experience, but I think with mom I did, because dad passed away fairly early, like when I was 21. But with mom, and also I didn't live with dad, so I didn't see him, grow old or whatever. But with mom, it sort of happened where, once she started retiring and all, because she was a superhuman person to me, like superwoman, like, entirely, like working this, that, and the other. And like, I think one of those moments was when once she retired or whatever, and like, it was a Sunday afternoon, and for the first time she, I think, actually used the word saying, I don't want to go out today, can we just stay home? And I was like, what? Like, this is you, like, we've always decided that Sunday
this is me now.
Yeah, but this is me every day. This is me every day. So like, I think from then on, and then you start to realize that, okay, like, there's also medical issues attached to it and stuff like that.
Also,
were you guys always like friends with your parents, or was
No,
there
I
an
was
element
just
of like so
later
scared?
on. with my
Yeah.
mom, definitely. Because I was working with my dad so much, I had a very I had a
Formal
professional relationship with him, which no, it wasn't formal because our
You're
job
calling him
was
sir.
informal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
excuse
Yeah,
me,
no,
sir.
but it's a informal. It's an informal job,
Professional.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's fighting going on. There's stuff happening. Like we are abusing. Like it's the first person in my family I was comfortable swearing because that was what the norm was when you are dealing with people who are setting up a stage. This that. मतलब वहाँ पे कोई काम नहीं कर रहा है. So the gali galoch used to happen. So that was a different relationship. With my mom, I think after my college, I started figuring out a lot more about her because she was part of my social growth, like girlfriends, like relationships, how to.
Yeah.
So it was a very different contribution from both sides.
Yeah,
Correct.
I mean, I was never. I mean, I don't think. I think the funny thing is, I was friends with dad because like he didn't live together or whatever. So there was, and he was much more chill. Like if I got into trouble, my first phone call was not my mom. My first phone call, if I got into trouble, whether it was school or wherever, was dad because dad would bail me out, and later we would figure out the ramifications. But dad
Then he
would.
used to pour you a glass of milk.
Beta,
Oh,
You know,
wearing-
for me also, actually, that's one thing I think I'm going to follow through
Follow.
with my kids whenever it happens. Is that I've always had a super friendly relationship with my parents. Yes, granted, I got baja out. Granted, I used to be scared, but from a very young age, the relationship between my parents and I was always much more chilled out. Like I remember when most kids wouldn't tell their parents or their mom. देख बाप को जाके ना तू गर्लफ्रेंड के बारे में बहुत कम लोग बोलते, मॉम को जाके बोलते थे. बट इवन देन आई हैड ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स हु नेवर स्पोक टू देयर पेरेंट्स अबाउट गर्लफ्रेंड्स. द फर्स्ट ब्रेकअप ever had, I remember, and I it was so overwhelming for me. My mom saw me in my room, I'm feeling very sad. She came, she asked me what happened, and मैं पूरा बता दिया without being like oh, I'm scared.
Weird
What
about
is my
it.
mom's? It wasn't weird, and it was amazing because I think that was a major breakthrough time for the relationship between my mom and I. Right? Like I felt I could tell her anything. I was 13 और मेरा first breakup हुआ और मैं पूरा रो के mom को बता रहा है और mom मेरे को solution दे रही है मेरे को, and it just changed. The relationship just changed. So
Yeah.
from that day till now, like if I ever had a girlfriend, my parents have known about it. I'd never had to hide and like चुपके से मिलो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. It was very open and a frank relationship between both. The only difference is that I'm a very vocal person. If I like you, you will know because I express it. Like I won't shy away from saying love you mom, love you dad. तो love you mom बोला तो हमेशा love you mom reply करती है love you में. लेकिन तो dad को बोलेगा ना okay bye dad, love you, yes. I love
Dude,
you.
my
Yes.
dad, I think my dad has hugged me twice. Okay. Once at my wedding, and the second, and the other time he hugged me was we have a place in Belapur, okay, and there was a bird that had died in the electrical
He took you
socket.
to Belapur to hug you.
No,
I'm gonna
dude,
drive
it's
to
even
Belapur.
it's
चुपके
so
से देखना
random.
नहीं है ना.
It's so random. No, so there was this bird that had gotten fried in the electrical socket, okay, and the place had lost all the electricity there. So I had gone and fixed the house, okay, and that thing was my dad was postponing it, कि कौन
Oh,
जाएगा
I
उधर,
remember
कौन fix it.
this. Yeah.
Yeah, so I went there and I fixed this thing and I came home and my dad was so happy he hugged me. And I was like, this is the cause, this. So yeah, but I'm on the other side of your relationship with your parents. Like I had a very sort of like a like we would talk and discuss things, but there were some things that I didn't feel comfortable sharing with them for the longest time. And I think
मेरा
it was-
opposite. मेरा again like Kautuk. Like my dad is super expressive, and मेरे मम्मी के साथ surprisingly no. Even though I'm having more adult conversations with mom.
Yeah, I think my relationship has improved vastly now. Like now, like we got Siddhi and I, we went in for his birthday. We got him this really nice bottle of gin, and and we were talking about like alcohol stories
Drinking
and yeah, and then you're like, okay, now we're like now we're buddies. And I was, this is a thing I was writing about in stand up, which is that I'm friends with my father. My father and his dad, they were like he was a father-child relationship, and my grandfather and his dad, they were acquaintances. they were like
they were living in the same house.
Yeah, शायद मैं इसे जानता हूँ. You know?
Yeah. No, I mean, I and also, I mean, I know we need to wrap up and stuff. Just one small thing, like, guys, like, it's so important simply because from just I receive a lot of these messages about like parents and like, you know, not necessarily having the best familial home and not having the best familial bond with whether it's siblings or it's parents or it's mom or dad or whatever it is. Not every story, like, we're reminiscing the good stuff. There is a lot of not good stuff as well. There's more families out there that are dysfunctional than there are families that are functional. You should absolutely know that. Everybody has their idiosyncrasies and everybody has their little things. And there are also some seriously hostile and not so great families out there. And sorry if that's the situation that you're in.
There's a Leo Tolstoy quote that sums this up perfectly. He says that all happy families are alike and all unhappy families are unhappy in their own way. So, right. So, the ideal family, sure,
doesn't exist.
I mean, there's an idea of this, but no one is that.
No one is that. There is an Instagram post that I had put up. Look for it, or I'll put it up after the podcast comes. Look at it, and you'll know what I mean.
Dude, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum is the perfect blueprint of the Indian family.
All the money in the world, and you will find a reason to screw shit up.
Yeah, sab hai.
So on that note.
On that note, that's it from this episode of the Internet Set. So we're discussing our parents. Obviously, you can't discuss parents in only 1.5 hours. This can go on and on and on. So we may not do a part 2 of this. Let's see. जब भी होगा तभी देखेंगे.
Next time we'll get facts.
Facts.
We didn't discuss any facts at all in this episode. One fact is there though, that at the end of it, your parents ultimately love you. They, even if they are not the best in showing that to you, deep down they love you. So yes, give them a call. Spend a little extra time when they ask you to explain to them the Facebook for a millionth time. It's okay. Bear with them. They only love you and they want the best for you. That's it from this episode.
Just call your mom.
Yeah, just call.
Call.
Go meet them.
Yeah.
Go meet them.
I want to just put this out. The 18th April show has been sold out. So I've added another show. It's on the 25th
parents
of
bought
April.
all the tickets. So
yes, it's on 25th of April and it's happening on Zoom. So this show will take place in Never's mom's house, and you can watch it. So tickets will be in the description below.
Awesome. All right, guys, that's it from this episode. See you again next week. Salam ishq.